Non-NCBCM clients. All other investors without an account. Here's how you can use GoIPO to invest in a current IPO or APO if you do not have an NCB Capital Markets investment account. Using your Google Chrome browser, navigate to goipo.jncb.com. Select Apply for an IPO and/or APO. Choose the IPO or APO you want by clicking View Details. Review the IPO or APO details. Select Apply Now for the desired share pool. If you do not have personal online banking via www.jncb.com, you must select All Other Customers. We have this process covered in another video. Select the option All Other Customers. Review the terms and conditions and accept if you agree to using GoIPO. Please note, this will only be required once. Step 1. Enter investment amount inclusive of fees. GoIPO will automatically calculate equivalent shares and other charges. Complete JCSD primary holder section with the required information. If this is a joint account, click Yes. You will be required to complete the details for the joint holder, including downloading and signing the signature document. Step 2. Complete payment information section with the transaction details previously carried out at your bank or an NCB branch. Step 3. Select your dividend mandate, which allows you to receive dividend payments to your bank or investment account. If you do not receive the requested allocation, the remaining proceeds will be returned to your selected bank or investment account. Step 4. Complete the signature document and upload to the site. Additionally, upload your photo ID. Click Submit and note your reference number. Check your email for the order confirmation. You may also go to the dashboard on the GoIPO platform to see the status of your application. Make note of your reference number to help track your application. Need more information? Call 876-960-7108.